Ladies and gentlemen, we
Yo, we're back. How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to Trench Capital with myself, MoneyGangCrypto, Alphaballer. How's it going, man? How are you?
Doing great, man. Doing great. You know, trying to keep up with the trenches because it's been hot. It's been hot out here. Like so many launches, so much rotation, so much manipulation. Everything. You got a little bit of everything. You know, trying to enjoy the summer, get a little bit of of the trenches, and it's been hard, tough. I would say, very tough. How are you? How's the trenches? How are the vibes around crypto? What do you think?
Well, we
about
had the
FOMC?
we had the FOMC meeting. I'm not gonna lie, it wasn't the most bullish thing. Essentially, they're probably going to do a rate hike. Okay, that's the TLDR on it, right? They're probably going to do a rate hike and possibly do it in September. It's not great. Yeah, it's not great. So, I mean, the Fed held for the 5th month in a row, and you had 3 members revolted, which essentially means that they were like, no, 3 out of, I think it was like, there's 9 plus 3, 9, 10, 11 of them. 3 of them said, right, we want a rate hike straight away. We have to do a rate hike. And the rest, the other 9 were like, no, we're going to hold rates. So it was like, not great. Now, we've had some good numbers today. I think it was the jobs came out and business rates and stuff like that came out today. And that's come out and that's been good.
Some of like the growth of USA.
That's right. Yeah. So there has been. So that's why we are pumping right now. However, I'm just like, if they do a rate hike in the next meeting, that ain't going to be good for crypto in the short term. Yeah. So there's inflation concerns. A lot of inflation concerns. I don't know.
We've had pretty much like we've had the crash stocks in South Korea. After that, we had the follow-up on the crash in fucking Japan on the stocks. Absolutely, like 400 or 800 billions erased from the market cap. And in Asia, some Asia parts are going crazy because a lot of them got liquidated, lost like insane amount of money. And then we have the USA stocks today at the open, like after the massive liquidations, we had it adding like 400 billions, you know, the market opens. We have MST actually also pumping. AI bubble just going down as well. There is a...
You see what happened with SanDisk as well.
Yeah. I mean, everything. It was kind of the top, and we had even the SpaceX launch, which actually marked the local top. We were predicting, we were speaking about that, so no surprise over there. You know, it was like was quite.
Here's the concern, right? This is Kalshi, which is very similar to a Polymarket, or pretty much the same thing. September, a rate hike, 25 basis points, up to 52%, maintains rate at 45%, reduces rate at 3%. So bettors are starting to sway in that direction. Before that, it was slightly ahead. This was, 8 days, but now it's kind of spiked a little bit. We'll see. I mean, like it's not. I mean, in the short term, it's not going to be great, but Bitcoin is pumping, so we can't really complain. Like as much as we can say, oh, the economic situation is not great. I mean, it looks like the month is going to end very nice and green. We've only got a day and 10 hours left on it, but it looks like it's going to be green. Not going to hit your 72K though, I don't think.
Yeah, I mean, we are still far away from this weekend, right? We're still far away. We're still far away for the mid-August, because I've been saying that ETH definitely reached my target. Bitcoin did not reach the target, but it's only because we had so much fucking attention on EVMs. We had so much attention on the Robinhood, on other chains, that liquidity is not going into the majors. Liquidity is moving on chain from one blockchain to another. We had absolutely insane volume on Robinhood, and today we are seeing absolute massive inflows into the BSC. Like BNB is pumping a little bit. They have the Mars coin.
Yeah,
CZ is always, man. CZ is always, he's not letting the momentum sleep when there is a new narrative. He saw the new narrative. He saw people like bull posting about Robinhood stocks and that. There you go. They have a meme coin, have it paired with SPX giving rewards in SpaceX, something like that. And they're just bull posting, like Elon, CZ, a new coin. It brings a lot of degens, a lot of people. I saw some PNLs, man, on fucking FOMO up on those guys, like millions, like half a millions on each one of the top holder, and only on the FOMO app. I'm not even aware on the wallets that are on chain, like gigantic pump. And I saw this coin at 700K, something like that. I wasn't paying attention because every single stuff was going into Robinhood at the time. We had the index. Index was one of the coins that pumped from 0 to 60 mil, and every single attention was going over there. And right now, like BNB was trying to catch, even with CZ, some of the attention. They're very well at doing that. They're not like Richard posting a dumb shit again on X because he got back. But they're capturing attention of those people, and those people rotate like half millions, millions of dollars flow from the daily traders going to the ecosystem, automatically buying BNB, buying more more inflows, more degens, price go up, number go up, always good for the blockchain.
It's kind of crazy. I mean, I was looking over. I think you got a better. The gem heat feature said around 4.6 mil. So you would have done a nice 10x on that. But actually, the first call was actually a KOL call from God Crypto Reviews that actually came through. So we get this in MGC Intel. You get like it coming in, and this was literally the KOL call came in back on the 27th of July, and I'm just looking at it and I'm like, anywhere in this region, 700K, anywhere in this region, dude, it's sent. It's absolutely sent. It's absolutely freaking ridiculous how quickly it's sent. There was a lot of accumulation. There was a lot of KOLs calling this. And like throughout Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and now Thursday, you just see it absolutely rip. So
that's when you get so much volume and the charts just move like crazy. Good morning, everyone. Hello, YouTube. What's up? Leave a comment, like, retweet the live stream. Because I'm not sure if I'm shadow banned, man. Something is happening with the algorithm on X.
No, I've seen it.
Super weird lately. So it's good if we get this engagement, like likes or retweets on the live streams, so we keep going.
That's
but
right.
Awesome, man. Very awesome to see some on-chain volume.
I want to do something real quick because I believe like this is you basically right now at this current stage.
Do you know?
I'll play it real quick.
I've not seen that. No.
Okay. You see, right? He's checking his buys. I'll do some commentary, running commentary. He checks. He sells.
Yo, what the fuck, bro? Oh my god, bro. No, you have to watch my stream. You have to watch my stream.
Bro, I literally posted my fumbles. You know the new kimchi trend when everyone is posting luxury shit like watches, like fucking neck, like everything, pictures. I posted all my 4 fumbles. Like there is like probably close to 6 figures of fumbles, and not speaking about the the recent one from the side wallets. They're like biggest one. The one shit I didn't do, like I didn't take profits on some of the other coins, but all in all, pretty happy. I'm doing nice and steady, man. Nice and steady.
Mhm.
A little bit of profits from one side, a little bit on the other. We had like Sakura, we had Sanchan pumping. I'm still holding, and actually I moved the whole holdings on FOMO up. So one day maybe we'll see Sanchan go to hundreds of millions, and we'll be at the top of the FOMO up.
And I mean, like, at least Pulse Chain's been pumping, bro. That's the good thing.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
Yeah. You've had like
you
Pulse
can
Chain
go.
pumping.
You can go through.
When it's our season, it's going to be like this, bro. Like all the illegals coming into
our
Spain right
season.
now.
Oh my god, that's the golden war.
There's going to be all of them. That's our season. They're all going to come in.
Bro, Europe is fucked.
This will be our season, bro.
Bro, what the? That's Hexaco invasion, man. People won't be able to get in the fucking.
This will be Hexaco, bro. This will be, the future, bro. Everyone buying your bags. These guys, bro.
Bro, that's so fucked up, man. That's so fucking fucked up. Like, I mean, you know what? I'm scared because Greece is also fucking super close, and Greece is like the next target. Like, I'm not touching Spain for real. But Greece is also super fucking close. So, yeah, man, back to Asia, bro.
Back to Asia, bro. So Pulse, looking good. On the daily super trend, it's saying a buy.
It's local top, in my opinion.
Local top. Okay, you're calling it. All right. I was gonna say. I mean,
we had Liberty Bull posting PDI again. We had the Richie posting dumb shit on X again. Like we always said, like just don't fucking post. And he already started to post some weird stuff that is, kind of useless.
But look, like EHEX is up 20% in the last 24 hours.
Yeah, EHEX, because people are trying to rotate and it's like, oh, we're pumping and then it's gonna dump again. There are a few coins that I'm bullish, like
Hex?
Probably you have to be on the trend, man. If you want to print real money, because these slow movements, even on pool chain, as we said, you bought the bags at the bottom, you just hold. You don't have to even look at that until the ETH price is really moving, because right now I just bug-worked a shit coin to 5x. I couldn't even sell because, a lot of people say, oh, you fucking dump on us. I probably should have, but it's super hard, and there is no people left on pool chain that wants to bug-work, hold, or anything. So either the prices of pool chain has to go 10x higher, either we just gonna go back down, man.
Well, I mean, I gotta be the bull today, bro. You're the bearish one
You're
today.
bullish.
I actually am low key kind of bullish.
I mean, we still can go towards that area of 72K, but
it's more the sense of we are so close now to what I suspect to be the bottom. I'm like, dude, you cannot not be bullish. I actually think what's probably going to happen, and I'll predict this real quick, is that we bottom around October, and then what will happen is we'll just have a lot of sideways chop, and it will be boring. It will actually be really, really boring, and people will be like, "Oh, what's going on?" And then into the new year, tax season, going into the new year, and then into the next year we start to have a bit of a pump, and then the big pump comes before the halving, which will take a while because the halving's in 28, I want to say, but we start to climb back up. So we start to find ranges that we, it could be even higher. Like, I don't know what it would be on Bitcoin. Let's say we make a 55K bottom, or maybe we make a 48K bottom, 50K bottom, whatever it is. We go from there, and then we kind of, I don't know, just go towards maybe 70K, and 70K becomes a little bit of a range. So we kind of jog between like 70, 80K, maybe drop down to like 68, and it kind of stays around there. And then we climb back up, slowly but surely head towards the 90 region, and then go up above like 100. So it will take a while for it to get back to 100K, I think, but I think, that's probably what's going to happen. 50, or maybe. I mean, if the bottom's like 45, a 2x in 6 months, probably, which would be 80, 90K. Okay, maybe it goes up a little bit higher than that, but that's how I'm seeing it.
Yeah,
Just because when
yeah.
I mean, I look at it from here, from this bottom, right? And this bottom came in, this 15K bottom came in here. So it did like 30K was what, around here? So that was in April. So from November to basically April. So that's just, November, December, January, February, March, April. Yeah, 6 months. 6 months, it does a 2x. So that's kind of where I'm looking at. Then you get that sideways chop, and then you get the next leg up. So that's where I'm looking at it right now, as we go into probably the end of next year, and then going into
the next 2 months, or you're like, we're gonna dump from here, from this zone?
Right now, I think that I've already put it. You can see the box there. I still think that we're gonna dump to probably 55 and below.
Oh, so dump there and then go up to 72?
Yeah, probably. Okay. Yeah, so probably whatever the bottom would be. Like, let's say it's 55. Let's say we dump there, and then we'll probably do just under a 2x in the space of 6-7 months. That's how I see it, as it makes its bottom.
Oh shit, that's low. Yeah, maybe could. The only thing that puts me on the side.
You think the bottom's in right now, right? You think that's the bottom? The bottom's already happened.
No. I mean, we could have had the bottom underneath. That's that's a chance. But I would say, for the thing is, like, everyone is getting quite bullish while the stock markets are still like, so volatile and like so top. They're like not even started to crash properly. And the second one is like we don't have any major not structure, but something that is gonna back up the pump, right? We don't have that here. And what we have a huge amount of money rotating on chain from one. We had Solana into Robinhood, right now into BNB, and we all know everything tops with fucking BNB because everyone rotates to the latest chain, and it tops over there. And then, like, from that, what's next? You're gonna dump. Probably.
I just look at it from like a macro perspective, and I go, okay, if we don't get the Clarity Act on next Monday, September's going to be so bearish. You've got probably a rate hike, and you've also got like Clarity Act's not passed. And do you think that there's going to be a Clarity Act just before the midterms? I don't think we get the Clarity Act. I think the Clarity Act happens, I hate to say it, probably next year at this point. So I don't know. I hope I'm wrong.
It's only speculation at this time. Only speculation. The vibes.
No, we have a week. We literally have a week for the Clarity Act to go through. So like next week, Monday, if it doesn't go through, then Senate goes for recess. They ain't going to be around. It's not going to get pushed through. Yeah. And I don't even think when they come back September 15th, they won't come back and they won't they won't try and push it through quickly. I don't even think they'll do anything until midterms has happened, which is November 5th.
Mm-hmm.
So those two negative things, plus a rate hike increase, that could mark the bottom. Personally, that's where I'm looking at it. I'm like, okay, where does that October bottom come from? I'm a 4-year cycle guy. Where does the October bottom comes from? Those two things. Now, I might be wrong. Cycles might be broken. Someone can correct me, but I watched that FOMC meeting and I didn't think that was bullish whatsoever. It was extremely bearish. You got 3 people that were dissenting and wanting a rate hike and 9 that were saying not this time around. And the probability, he even mentioned that there might be a rate hike in the future. It's like, fuck,
in
man.
September.
Yeah. It's not great. BNB, yeah, like you said, ripping. Is that local top? I don't know. It's looking good on the month. Everything's green on the month, which it's been a great month in terms of like shit coins, in terms of like the majors as well.
We had some runners on ETH as well, man. Had some runners on ETH like before some new tag. They're like trying to push the narrative, running from 0 to a couple of millions market cap. Everyone goes crazy. Actually, from yesterday,
I saw this coin. Actually, I saw this coin. Did you see this coin, Hexwell? But I don't know. Like it's
bro. Don't even like, guys. I can show you. I just posted. He made a post, and I saw. I sent him in DM. I sent him in DM. I was like, bro, stop buying from main wallet and send to the fucking side wallets, because that's what he was doing with the other coins and with his same one. I was like, bro, what the fuck are you doing? Like, it's literally on chain. You buy from the side wallet, and no, actually, he's buying from the main wallet, selling from the side wallets, trying to bond some fucking liquidity. When someone is buying up, he's just fucking dumping from the side wallets. I was like,
that's right,
bro. Like, what the fuck are you doing? Just stop doing that dumb shit, and people will buy again in some of your coins. I still believe he sniped his own launch and just farmed with that wallet because it was looking so sketchy. So yeah.
Well, he said that the sniper came.
Dead.
A sniper came in and
he was the sniper, bro. Like, come on.
Yeah. Okay.
He was
I can't say that, but like, the guy took 6K out the chart, right?
I know.
And the thing is, like, I was getting notifications on Intel, like that he was selling from his own wallet as well. So it's like, well,
yeah,
I don't know if you can do that.
It's not that Pulse chain is the dog shit. It's still full of fucking scammers, people just trying to make like $200 and stuff like that. It's so bad, bro. You don't fucking trench. You probably would be better to time and buy Hex or buy PLS or ProveX or whatever you think. Majors, buy majors. Try to make the swing trade on that. Everything else is fucking super bad. Like maybe some old pump tires coins that are super bottomed. Would be a great trade.
Even that though, you would have to like push the narrative so hard.
Oh
like,
yeah,
your bag working like crazy.
I bagged work at shitcoin from 5K to like 30K market cap. It's unbearable. Like, it's unbearable. It's better for me just scout gems. We literally were speaking about Cashcat yesterday. It was at 33 million. So I was like, guys, this is perfect time to bid, and it did a 2x in like literally 10 minutes. It went to 60 mil on the live stream that they showed. And looking right now, it's already forming a new breakout point, and this probably gonna go back to 100 million, man. Cashcat is probably gonna go because it's forming a nice pattern. Even with liquidity moving on BSC, there is still a lot of on-chain volume to push Cashcat with one mention to hundreds of millions. We had Hoodrat mention. I posted it about like 500K, which 500K literally at the bottom. I made the post even. I bought I bought it. I sold for 3x, like on the pump. Yeah, on the second pump at 2 million. I sold it over there, and afterwards it actually ripped. But you don't know if you don't have the inside info, because like everything was looking so bad. I was like 3x is super nice, right? And they actually got Matt Fury to reply to one of their posts, and that's when it went fucking parabolic. So that did a nice 10x. You literally can spot good coins that run and had like a solid foundation, and don't fucking backward a dog shit coin on Pulse Chain that they are selling from side wallets, and they don't even want to put the work in to push. So I was like, bro, what I'm even doing, man? You remember yesterday we spoke about Porch, something like that? I even showed it. I was like, yo, the Porch, yeah.
Not sure.
We're speaking. It was basically a payment. I also made a post about it. It was a new native. I'm not sure if they got acquired by Circle or something like that, but they had a nice 2x pump. You can go super heavy, like a lot more heavier than Pulse Chain coins, man. In Pulse Chain, if you put 500, you lose on slippage.
Buy Hex, man. Buy Hex. I mean, like Hex. Well, I mean, the Hex was pumping, I guess. I mean,
is that the Hex?
That's that's regular old Pulse Chain Hex, bro.
Is pumping again?
Yeah, it's up 7% on the day, I think.
Oh damn!
Yeah.
Rich is making me mad, bro. I'm telling that it's the local top, bro. I sold. I took profits, of course, because I bought the bottom, bro. And it's up 3x. I'll take on Pulse Chain. You know. Pulse Chain, so pump it, Richie. I'll guess I'll buy higher, man.
Yeah, you're a scumbag, bro. How dare you sell your position? No, I'm joking. But let's have a look here. Let's have a look at eHex real quick. Is this the right one? I don't know if it's right.
Oh my god! Someone actually aped again for bans into. Bro, I believe something is going on. This coin is gonna super sand.
Hold on. Before we start switching coins, quickly, let's appreciate eHex for a second.
It's up 20. Come on, how much it did?
22% in a day, 22%. Bro.
22%.
Yeah, 20.
Okay, yeah, 20%. Get it out of my way, bro. 22%.
You're not bullish on the eHex
coin. How much is up Mars coin, bro?
Well, Mars coin's up, quite a bit. It's
yeah, that's what I'm
talked
saying.
about it. Yeah. What is this shitcoin you're sending
This is
me?
what we were speaking yesterday, man.
Someone just paid 4.5K basically.
It was 240 something like that market cap yesterday. It's a payment. You know where you go and buy your AI agents. Basically, buy. You can buy like anything from Amazon.
Okay.
Right. And you saw that they are removing some of the payment methods from original cards and stuff like that, and they're letting AI agents taking care of the buys and sells and like everything, And this is basically the method, like one of the few supported by Solana. It was retweeted by Solana, and it might be acquired by Circle, and Circle is fucking the biggest, and IBM or something like that. And if they gonna utilize or implement that in the fucking how you say, in Amazon, like how you trade goods, your AI agents are gonna do this for you. It's probably gonna run to like hundreds of millions, because if it's real, because they retweeted the post, but I haven't seen the actual claim. But when they'll claim, it's gonna be always too late. It's already pumping, and I see like some big buys. That's only confirming that something is brewing. Sanchan pumped and is dumping a lot, so I might, if Hex is gonna pump a little bit more, maybe take some more profits and just buy more Sanchan, bro. that's gonna reap one day or another.
Okay. I mean, it's at 400K. I mean, it is a shitter right now, but let's see.
It is better than fucking any. I mean, except Liberty, it's better. Like it's better as as a coin than anything on.
Are you sure about that, bro? Are you sure about that?
Yeah,
Because
bro.
I'm
When this
Pulse.
shit is gonna go to 1 billion, you're gonna come
moving,
back
bro.
and like, who the fuck, you know? Sakura
mean,
had
like-
a nice deep actually. I bought that. I called that.
Even
moving
look
to
at
the
that,
next
man.
one.
I mean, look how good Pruvex looks right now. That looks like a bottom to me.
Oh, bro,
Look,
I
man.
literally posted. I literally showed you the channels.
Yeah.
Of course, I have a Pruvex bug, and
Yeah,
I
it looks
believe
great.
if you swapped Peacock when I was not FUDing, but Pruvex was at the bottom and Peacock was at like 9 point something, 9.4. It was getting farmed a lot by that fucking guy just in the fucking V3, just farming. You'd be up like 50%, man, on the bag, because I did.
It's 9.5 mil right now.
Oh,
got a ways to go.
yeah.
Peacock. I mean,
Yeah, it's nice. It's nice. But as being the main leader of a fucking meme coin on the chain, underperforming Hex did a
this is
3x, man.
This
Bro,
this
Hex
is
did a
this
3x.
this is meant.
Peacock
Wait,
did
wait. This is
20%.
wait. This is meant to
What?
be the leading meme coin, man. PTGC.
That's not a meme coin.
It is a meme coin, bro. How's it not a meme coin?
That's a tax coin, bro. How you?
Yeah, it's a
fucking
tax
call
token,
meme
but it's
coin?
a tax meme coin. So
It's not a meme coin, bro. Come on, you
what?
can't be B-root right now and call PTGC a meme coin. They call
How's
it
that not a meme
DeFi or
coin?
whatever the fuck, and
It's
it's
like-
nice. It's up to X, man. You know, it
I mean-
still did better than Peacock from the bottom.
Let's just quickly just have a little look. Okay, so
Richie actually is watching our stream, guys. I said that I sold my bags, and he's fucking rage pumping. I'll still buy lower.
You should be pumping, man. Pump the F out of Hex, man. It's up 13% now. He's definitely pumping right now. It looks like it's pumping exactly
Yeah.
right now. Let me see
That's cool.
what's come in for the last dude. Like literally over the last hour.
Yeah.
Holy.
He literally said when I was like, "Is the local top? Just dump it." And like, yeah,
dude,
man.
he's pumping. Like, look, bro. That's literally. There you go. That's someone. So yeah, W's in the chat. Like I'm the bullish one on Pulse Chain right now. You know, like I'm the one that's.
You are bullish. Have you bought the bottoms?
Listen.
Bullish?
I have my bags, bro, but I
No,
don't.
I know. No. What I mean, like you are bullish because you bought the bottoms,
bro. You think this is a fake pump?
I believe that's an fake pump, as always.
I mean, look, it hit my line, the all-time low line, perfectly. So
Yeah.
they were watching the stream, whatever they like. You know, look, perfect, boom.
Yeah.
That looks like around the bottom to me. I again, I'm not a TA guy. Well, I'm a little bit of a TA guy, but I'm not that much of a TA guy. I mean, if it can sustain itself, like I need to see this like back up here, you know. But it's gonna be hard. It's bullish, yeah. Again, it is bullish. I just worry. The question is, right? It needs to get to this line here, 20372, 3762. Excuse me. And then it needs to hold that line. So I'll put the line across here just so that people understand exactly what I'm talking about. It needs to go above this line, and then it just needs to bounce and hold off of this. Okay, so if Richie, if you're listening, just keep it in this section here, because this would be way bullish to then go. But if it just goes up and then breaks down and makes a lower low, fuck, man, that would suck.
Yeah. Call me crazy, but I believe Pruvex is better buy right now than fucking Peacock or anything. I was super bullish, but Pruvex is looking. It's broken out, and it's had the candles. And man, if he releases the product anytime soon with that fucking candle, because right now it's looking like it's gonna go to 100. So it's look like it's gonna do a 2x from here, to be honest. Provex, nothing.
No, but I'm just saying, Ink's about to go into a key section right here, by the way, where it had its its first major bottom was down here, and it was in
Yeah.
this zone. So, like, if it can get above it and then just maintain, again, create some structure would be nice. But Provex, yeah, to your point, Provex is moving. Let me just find the Provex chart real quick. But Provex is moving. I mean, even Pulsex looks good as well. It's been up. It's round. Everything looks like it's rounding.
Yeah,
Rounding up.
what is this all about? Is it like, is he making people? Because I know I sold bags and I'm like cooping a little bit, because it's like you say, when you sell for 5K and you come back and it's like it could have been 7K or more, and it's
Okay. Well,
fuck. I was like,
don't.
fuck. So can you fucking stop pumping?
Nah, bro. You need the pump. You need to buy back higher and then get cheated on. That's exactly what needs to happen.
Yeah,
But no,
probably.
I do think it is bullish. I don't know how long it lasts, but I do think it is bullish for the time being. But I guess I think it's in response to what Ethereum's been doing, right? Like Ethereum has been pumping, looking good around 2K. So, and it doesn't take much to move the price of Pulse Chain. It's really got no liquidity whatsoever. So,
Mhm.
you don't have to stick too much money into it to make it move.
Yeah.
But if this goes down and resurf, I promise you now, if this drops to here, back into this zone, Pulse Chain ain't
Mhm.
gonna be pumping. I'll put money on it. It won't start pumping. It'll start cheating. Everyone will start cheating because Ethereum, like, it's got to this top here. We got one red week basically. We'll start the week anyway, but it's been chopping around 2K.
Man,
So if it
it
drops
would be
down below,
so good.
Pulse Chain stops.
Money Gang, it will be so good if it makes a giga candle to 2.1. So bullish. That would be like my fucking long short instantly.
It would be good. Yeah, that would be a level 2.1. 3 days on the week. It's actually red on the week, which is crazy to say. Let's just have a look at real quick. Let's have a look at Ethereum Bitcoin ratio.
Oh yeah.
So at 3% right now, just under, which is pretty good. I was expecting it like the next boundary here would be 3.1 and then 3.5. But yeah, I mean, maybe you get a couple of days of red and then maybe it tries to push against it and go above it. But yeah, Bitcoin, I don't know, man. Like, all the indicators to me suggest bearishness, even though the price is going up, which is good. It's just that I do worry about coming into August, September, new month. August historically isn't always the best month for Bitcoin. Let's see what happens.
Yeah.
What
Super
charts do you
exciting,
want to
man.
say? What did you want to see?
No, that's all. We basically went through everything, man. You can look at, guys, go buy my bags, go buy Sanchan, go buy Hole on Pulse Chain. It's a fucking deep. What market cap is it, bro? It is at 14K market cap. It went to
What is this piece?
30K. Absolutely insane.
Your Sanchan's down 20% on the day.
Oh yeah, my Sanchan bag is down like 1.5K.
Oof, damn.
Yeah.
And you're saying this is a buy, yeah?
I'm saying this is gonna go to billions one day or another. Not wrong, just early.
I think it goes down to like 800K. Buy at 800K.
Yeah, that would be fucking bad,
Yeah,
or great, because I fucking can buy 1% and just chill.
Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, general crypto. I mean, BNB is sending, obviously. Pulse Chain seems to be sending. GG's if you caught the dip on it. I mean, it's been dipping for the last 9 months, but shout out to you guys if you have. It's starting to form. I mean, like, look, Hex is up 100% from its all-time low. Hex is up 200%. You know, pretty much. I think everything's going to probably hit 100% up from its all-time low. But we'll see.
Do you feel any FOMO
No,
on Pulse Chain? Not
no,
yet.
nothing.
Okay.
No, I don't. I don't really feel anything. Like the thing is that I like the fact that it's pumping. That's great. But again, you look at this and you look at what it's done historically. Sorry, let me go on the pulse chart real quick. And it's just like we've been through this before, you know. So once it gets to certain levels, you know, it just drops. So I hope that it's sustained. I hope that like everyone's out. I hope that the price keeps going and going and going. And it's broken through this here. It's great. It's now testing this line here as well. On the weekly, it's got a little bit of resistance here, but it looks like it's going to break out and probably head towards this mark here. But whether it does get there or not, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. That there's a big ass gold candle on it at the moment. But it's got another 400% to get back into the range that would probably make me like FOMO.
Is that a FOMO or just a resistance zone? Show me.
No,
Okay.
I don't even think it's. I don't like. I'm just saying back into this zone here, back just sub 1 cent.
Yeah, pro that.
Yeah. You know,
that
like,
would be a lot of pain for a lot of guys that sold Hex at the bottom and they don't have the bags they used to have.
Yeah, of course, because they would have missed out on
a lot.
I mean, you look at it, yes, like 500, 600%, which is like what, 7-8x, something like that.
A lot, man. Yeah.
But it looks good. Looks good. Hex needs a massive god candle. Yeah, someone just said that. Yeah, I just wonder if. Yeah, I wonder if Ethereum doesn't sustain its price action now, does it drop? I don't know. Maybe. We'll see. Maybe this has been a good period of time. Maybe Richie's been looking at all the wallets and seeing how many have cheated and has got some sort of, on his AI platform, he's got some sort of like thing to work out. Like,
right. Okay. What do you think about that, man? About the AI stuff he's been posting and like, because he was anti-AI.
AI sacrifice coming up, maybe? I don't know.
Bro, a wallet with AI that automatically manages your funds so you don't fucking paper hand.
That's what you need.
No.
By the sounds of it, I don't know what's coming. I mean, like, obviously, like, would he do another sacrifice? Probably. Would you want to pump the charts to a certain level to do that sacrifice? Yeah, probably. Mm-hmm. Do you think that Richie's ever going to do a sacrifice where you put in your old stuff for the new stuff? I don't think he will.
Bro.
I think it will always be like Ethereum or Solana or BNB or USDC or whatever. So I don't think he ever goes back on that because he did that with the proof sacrifice.
He would do another sacrifice probably at the top this time. Probably at the top.
Someone said, I love it when Hex decorrelates from the rest of the market, shows how well designed it is. I don't know if it's decorrelated. I understand that price action, like, the liquidity is so low, it doesn't take much to move the price. So, like, is it decorrelated? I don't think it's decorrelated. I just think it has injection from, you know, entities, big whales who then pump the market up. So I don't know. I think the idea is obviously to like get FOMO from other ways or different places, but I don't know if it's decorrelated, because if it was decorrelated, like actually decorrelated, it would do hyperliquid. Hyperliquid was decorrelated this cycle from the rest of the market.
That's
like the best example to give, because
example.
it ripped, and it has been ripping in the bear market. Tron is decorrelated from the rest of the market. There's another one. So yeah, but it's good to see. It's good to see. I'm more bullish than he is. So.
I mean, you're bro. I'm cooping right now because I'm looking at the bag that I sold from Hex.
Dude, you've become the meme, man. You've become the meme. Just someone clip this.
You don't want to know.
Let me just
want to know.
Let me just put me over here, right? And just can you just say, like, just go like this, and then just go, I sold my Hex, man.
Fuck, man, I sold my Hex.
That's funny, bro.
Bro, the bag that I sold is probably worth 4 to 5K more in just one day.
Well, look, listen.
2 days. 3 days.
Listen,
2 days.
Someone said to me, like, did you advise him to sell because they saw your wallet sell? And I said, no, I didn't. I didn't tell him to sell. So I'd just like to say that
Is that
on record. Huh?
Richard?
What Richard told me about you? no, someone else, bro. Someone else.
Wow, bro, stop watching fucking people pockets, guys.
Dude, this pulse chain, man. Pulse chain, everyone knows. Everyone knows your wallets, bro.
People don't even know all my wallets. They have some wallets that they think even that's me, but that's not even fucking close. You know? So
people know people's wallets, man. Like, it's people pocket watch on
guess
this chain.
what? They don't know all my wallets. That's for sure.
Yeah, maybe, but like I'm sure it wouldn't be too hard to find out.
It is not too hard, but some of them
unless you're using mixers, or if you go into exchanges, and then
always, man.
Guys, appreciate all of you. We're gonna wrap it up, I think, because we're at the 40-50 minute mark, and I know that we're meant to have Tiger Crypto on tomorrow, but he's just had a concrete job come up, so we'll do it next week. We're just going to reschedule for next week, so we'll be back tomorrow, and we'll see what happens, when the market opens today. And yeah, I mean, like, good morning to all of you guys. Hopefully we have a nice little pump. Bitcoin right now is sitting at $64,580. Yeah, keep your eyes out, guys. Like, next week's gonna be massive, man. Like, I actually think I'll bring some clips and stuff like that. We could have played some clips today, but I don't think I want to bore you with, like, Kevin Walsh and FOMC meet and stuff. But some Senate clips next week will be interesting. Like, it's just such a vital week next week. I cannot overemphasize how vital it is, because it's like Clarity Act sends it higher, and possibly that marks the bottom, or if it doesn't go through, I think it's bearish. I think we get price go lower into August. So we'll see.
Yeah.
Any final thoughts?
Good week I had, man. Good week I had. Always, nice to see some bags pump. We'll try to keep it like I'm not indecisive right now. I believe we are in the local top area. Maybe we get a little bit of pump. But I know when I'm going bearish again, like, some of the charts pump a little bit more, but in the end I'm always right, because I don't fade my fucking feeling, because I'm feeling that we're gonna have a massive crash out sooner or later.
Well, I mean, the South Korea,
we had the pump, and
we didn't
the pump,
even
guys.
talk much about it, but the South Korea stocks issue, Japan, that's not going to help. That's not going to help the markets. I don't think it's going to help at all. Guys,
all I have to say, Money Gang, join the fucking Trench Capital Telegram. That's right. Join the email, like MGC Intel, if you haven't already. It's gonna go live pretty soon.
Yeah, Saturday. Saturday goes live
on X.
And follow us on X. Yeah, that's it. But yeah, guys, MGC Intel goes live on Saturday, and then the actual dashboard as well, the web dashboard, will go live probably a month after that. So you'll have all the Telegram groups ready to go, but then the actual web dashboard goes live, and it looks freaking good, man. I'll be honest with you. I think the web dashboard is way better than Telegram groups, but both are going to be useful. Both are included in the membership anyway. So yeah, it's like it's exciting. I mean, like all of the chains that you want to be on, all of the chains that you're probably aping stuff on is there. Like some people are suggesting Monad. No one uses Monad. Fuck Monad. But I could implement it quite easy, somewhat easily. But I'm not like Monad.
It's not the time, man.
But yeah, it's. I mean, like we've been talking gems for the last few weeks, and look how many have been called. But also, like, it just takes one. Takes off. I mean, how many have we talked about? We talked about Mars Coin today. We talked about Ansem. We talked about Jimothy. We talked about PONS. We talked about, oh my gosh, there's been so many. There's been so many over the last few weeks. When you actually cash cat, freaking multiple different chains, there's been loads of gems that would have taken your
Let's not
portfolio
forget, Money Gang, that who was bullish beginning of July, end of June.
Yeah, you were more bullish than me, bro. Yeah.
Who said that July, summer basically marks the bottom? I wasn't saying July. I was saying summer was marking the bottom of Pulse chain in most of the rallies, as I've shown, like the previous 3 or 4 that we had, and we always continue with the fucking pump after that. I'm not sure how big this rally is gonna be, because if the bear market is not over, we might have, some dumps here and there. I'm not sure how big the correction is gonna be when the things are gonna go south. But market pumped. We had huge on-chain summer. We have a nice pulse chain bumps. So yeah, let me take, you can always, you won't regret taking some small profits along the way if you bought some of the bottoms. That's why I have to say my last words.
Cool. All right, guys. Like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate all of you. And like I said, we'll see you tomorrow, 9 a.m. Eastern time. We'll sort it out. We're going to get some guests on next week as well. So obviously Target Crypto, and then probably a few others as well. But appreciate all of you, and we'll see you tomorrow. Have a good one. Enjoy your morning. Get a cup of coffee. Get bullish. Hex is pumping. All right, guys. On to the next one.